subscribe to my channel, Leisano.
Okay, easy on the hydraulics.
Got it. Confirmed. Moving to bay 3.
All right, bring it back 10 more feet. Clear on the left, boss.
Site's permit matches the batch number here.
Yeah.
Confirmed in the database. Origin is South Africa.
Can you confirm this export date against the CITES appendix?
It aligns with the digital ledger here.
The physical permit is also signed.
All right, let's get this one on the scale. Quality grade A.
22 pounds. Tagging now.
Logged as lot 45B.
I'm concerned about this spot here. The follicle looks slightly damaged.
Let me see. It's minor, but yes, it's a defect. See this spot here?
It won't make premium.
Garment grade then.
This one is definitely premium. Look at the follicles.
All right, I'll put this one with the garments.
All right, lift. Got the corner?
The pH levels are spiked. I'm initiating the tanning sequence now. Confirmed.
The pH is holding steady at 4.5.
Good. Let's lock in the schedule for the next batch.
Clear on your side? Yes, push it through. Keep it straight.
The shrinkage and uniformity are well within tolerance.
Excellent. Batch 7 is approved.
That's well within the acceptable shrinkage limit.
Uniformity is spot on. Batch 7 is approved. The processing looks good on this batch. Smooth finish.
Agreed. The crowns are clearly defined. We can move this section to cutting.
The follicle density here is exceptional.
Confirmed. Data logged for batch 7.
We are very close on the crimson.
The yellow balance is critical for the luxury finish.
It looks consistent. Let's run the sample through the dryer.
Skins dried slowly on toggles or frames in temperature and humidity-controlled chambers inside the Ostrich-Leather Factory.
The elasticity is superb on this one. Consistent pattern throughout.
Agreed. Let's log it as grade A.
The pattern consistency is exactly right.
And the softness is perfect.
Yeah. Good elasticity. Let's tag it.
The quill pattern here is excellent.
Yes, it matches the hide perfectly. We can use this section for the jacket front.
This section here has the best quill definition.
Yes, that aligns perfectly with the template. We can cut this one now.
Subscribe to my channel, Lay Sano.